Welcome to Deepika's Healthy Cooking. Today I'm really excited because my mommy's going to make my favorite food, sushi. So the first thing we're going to be needing is some big seaweed sheets. For some reason it's called gimme, I don't know why.
So you need these, so please once you cut it, you want to put it in a lock bag or lock container. So please do that. We will do that later. So these are the seaweed. Okay, so if you're vegetarian, this is the seaweed you can have, right? And then what else you need if you're vegetarian?
You need avocado, some cucumber.
Cut a small thin slice of
Cucumber.
You can see the thin slice and also thin slice of
Avocado.
And
Some cream cheese.
Right now, Rasi likes salmon in that.
Yes.
So what are we gonna use?
Smoked salmon.
So Rashi likes to have her salmon in there. So we're gonna have our smoked salmon. This one. It's ready. You can always get it. So that's the usually, and this is how it looks. See, it's very thin. You can cut it long side, so you'll see how it's done. All right. And then main ingredients is
The rice.
the rice. So you need a steamed rice, and this is a jasmine rice. It's steamed up. So that's what you need. And you need this sheet. You can either have this
Bamboo
one,
roll.
that's bamboo roll, or in the market you get the plastic one, or whichever you prefer. But I really like this one. So you really need this. So this is the basic ingredients you need for
Sushi.
but as I always make it healthy with little tricks. So it tastes very yummy. So for that, what I do as Deepika way, it's always my way, my kingdom in my kitchen, the way my family likes it. I take this steamed rice, I put a little bit of sesame seed. It has a black one and a white one. Just not too much, just a little bit. It's so when you roll it, it looks pretty. I know some Japanese people are gonna go nuts because I'm gonna tweak it a little bit. I also like to put a pinch of salt because I do not put salt when I'm cooking.
And for
And then
size,
I put a little bit, just a little bit, like a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of soya sauce.
I like
And
the size.
I also put some ginger juice. Just a very small amount of ginger juice. That's all I do. Yeah, you really don't know, but I do that extra. I'm gonna throw it. And then I also put some pepper. Small, just little, just couple spoon of pepper. And then I have this sesame oil. This is a spicy sesame oil. This is very spicy. But just have a drop of it. Trust me, it tastes amazing.
Just a
So
little.
just like literally be careful. Put it in a spoon first. I'm shaking. Just this much. See how tiny it is? You don't have to put these ingredients that I'm putting in rice is optional. You really don't have to do it. But I tried it this way. It works awesome. And then mix it all. Mix it. Just mix it well. Do not break the rice or anything. Just mix it. It is so yummy, right?
And
then
for a side on your sushi, you could put some wasabi and ginger.
yeah, this is a ginger.
But I
And
don't like wasabi or ginger.
You don't like wasabi or ginger?
They're too spicy for me. I don't like spicy.
Yeah, you
stuff.
serve it with wasabi and ginger on the side.
But I take them
and some
off.
soya sauce too. So
I love soy
this is
sauce.
how it begins. So let me show you. You mix your rice. You can taste your rice, but it smells good. See?
Can I try some?
Yeah, you can try some later. Let me make. You want to try some?
There are two ways to do this Philadelphia sushi. There's the
Yes.
one.
Rasi loves Philadelphia sushi is a vegetarian way. What I'm about to show you, the process is pretty much the same. You can just take out the fish if you don't like it. Sometimes people also put a cooked fish in there, like with the tuna. The tuna cooked fish is really good. It's spicy. It's good. Is it? Oh, it's not gonna be spicy once I'm done.
Okay.
So you put rice. You put your sheet.
Well, so the
Seaweed,
first way.
like this. You can get it closer. Can we get the closer on this so we can see how we done sushi?
So,
You put it on your sheet, and then you make sure you cover all around with the rice, right? Everything with rice. It's a little sticky. So
this is just the first way of making sushi. The second way is putting the rice on the outside, then putting in the seed.
yeah, so inside out sushi.
Sushi.
Inside out sushi. You wanna go and relax and sit down when Mama bring you the food?
Yes, please.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you for helping, Rashi. So see how we did it? It's the rice. It's really now the first thing you do, you will put thin slice of this fish along the way, just like that. You can put a little bit extra if you like. Probably I can make 2 rolls of these sushi from this one salmon sea. As I said, if you're vegetarian, take this fish out and everything else remain the same. That California roll that you buy from outside, and I like to put 2 thin roll of avocado, very good, so the kids really like the avocado. And then I just put the cucumber like that. You can see, if you see, can we get close up on these so friends can see, like, look at it. So make it like this, thin. Then cream cheese in between, or however, it really doesn't matter. You just want to slap a block of cream cheese. As you keep making this, you get really good at it. Trust me, you learn some tricks and your own way of cooking. This is it. Now be careful, you just roll it. So bring it out all first like that. See how? You just have to make sure it's rolling out. Your mat just rolls out and you just kind of roll it. It will start having some out. Hold it very tight. Roll it. That's it, folks, and it will be done. Just hold it for about 3-4 minutes or so, and you can see like that. If you start coming on a side, a little bit, yes, then you can kind of cut it. So, see how you roll it? It start coming out a little bit now, so just kind of stick it on the side like that. It should be okay, and those are always going to be little complicated as we know. So look at that, check it out. Let me get you closer so you can see. Let me see if I can show you closer. Look at that. Yeah, right? I can't even fix it. Closer. Let's move this seat away. Now show you how to cut. You really need a very sharp knife. I like these are tiny knives. And if you want to get rid of this, is fine, but this is just for home cooking, everyday cooking. So look at, it's very softly, gently, you just cut it. You can see how it is. Can you see, friends? Look at it. Wow, my daughters are so happy. Rashi's coming. She knows it's ready. So we're gonna have her favorite food, sushi today, and we have some soup on the side and a fried rice too. So it's just not that, but this is something my friends are raving about it. The way I cook it. Look at this, Rashi. It's all ready. So when you go to a restaurant, they usually don't give you this end, but we're gonna keep it anyway. So and then look at how it's served. This is how it's served. in a platter. It's like, I don't think so. Yeah, you gotta wait. So I do it like that.
Yummy.
Yummy. Serve it like that. Let me serve it like roll.
Okay, can I grab the...
And then I just like to kind of, top it off with the sesame oil. I got the soya sauce for you, Rashi. It's all ready.
Oh.
And you serve it with the soya sauce. This is your wasabi right here. It's very tiny. This wasabi is very strong. And some ginger for sushi. And here's the soya sauce. So,
Can I grab my
friends,
chopsticks?
you have it and you eat it with chopstick holder. So this is the way to do it. I hope you try it and I hope you like it. Please keep trying and keep trying. This require a lot of practice. Once you get it, it is very, 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 very easy to make. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time, and please make the sushi the way you want it, the vegetarian or with the fish, whenever you like it. So thank you for watching my channel. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.